Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. This video will be for Family Dollar for tomorrow, December the 3rd, the 5 off of 25. Remember, the key is to download all digital coupons, get your total to $25, enter your number at the register, and watch your total drop. So if you follow along with my deals, here is a breakdown that you can use on tomorrow. Remember, scan all items in the store to be sure that these coupons that I have is also attaching to your coupons that you have and the items that you pick up tomorrow. So the first item you want to pick up is one Gain 65-ounce laundry detergent for $7.45 with a $2 off coupon. One Gain 14-count fling for $4.45 with a $1 off coupon. One Dawn Power Wash Starter Kit dish soap for $5.10 with a $2.25 off coupon. One Febreze air spray for $4 with a $2 off coupon. One Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste for $3 with a $1 off coupon. And then you're going to want to pick up another Colgate Max Fresh toothpaste for $3, and there is actually another coupon for Colgate for $2 off. So remember, the deal is you must get your total to at least $27. So for all of those items, our total came up to $27. Then we're going to subtract our $10.25 in coupons right here, and that's going to bring you down to $16.75. But then remember, your 5 off of 25 is going to come off, and you're only going to be paying $11.75 out of pocket plus tax for all of these great items. $11.75 plus tax for all of these items right here. Take a screenshot if you need to, at Family Dollar on tomorrow. If you want to break this deal down even a little bit more, each item in this breakdown will only cost you $1.95 each. That's $1.95 each for all of these great laundry detergents and dish soaps and hygiene care. Only $1.95 a piece, so $11.75. Happy couponing.